Okay, going to try something. I haven't even attempted this off camera yet. Typically, the crafts I'm going to be doing on camera, I've already done and know how to do. But this is a wire basket that I got from the Dollar Tree. Don't know, see, that's probably the Dollar Tree brand. But it's just a wire trash basket from the Dollar Tree. A stainless steel bowl from the Dollar Tree. I have a Doberman puppy right now at the time that I'm making this, and the bowl on the ground is too hard for him to eat out of, so he needs to have it elevated, but he can't use a full-sized elevated bowl just yet. And you're hearing one of my dogs in the background not being happy with him. You need a pair of wire cutters. Probably don't need as heavy duty of wire cutters as what I've got for this, but this is the pair that I pulled out and I'm going to use. So I'm going to start to, need to turn it over just a little bit. Just start cutting. Of course, kind of the bigger the tool you have, the quicker it goes. So if I was using a smaller pair of pliers, or wire cutters, I mean, it would I'd probably have to put a little bit more force to it. And I'm sorry about the dogs in the background. They like to get under my bed and scream and yell at each other. One out of the bed, one under the bed. So if I pause the video or suddenly turn off and have to do a splice or something, you'll know that I decided to go and put a stop to their play in my room. And all I'm doing, I've been off camera this whole time practically. I'm just going around, and there's already kind of a line for me to follow, so I'm just following that and cutting each of the wires. I'm a big fan about having a raised dog bowl for the larger dogs because it helps their digestion to eat more upright than bending over. And I'll probably save this and use it on some other craft project down the road, so be prepared to see this again. Okay, now that hole didn't quite make it big enough, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to see if I can just kind of curl this under. That way I don't have any sharp edges out. And what I'm having to do is every little bit around I have to split the wire so that it will roll under. This is something you'd learn to do as a sewer when you're doing curves. You cut little triangles into your work on the seams so that it will lay flat. I could probably go a little bit further over. There we go. This is bending pretty easy for me. I'm not really having to use much pressure at all. Oh, need to cut just a little bit more right there. Whoop. Oh, and I work at a pet store. For those of you that don't know me or are new to the channel, which most people are going to be new to the channel when they first watch this one, I work at pet stores, so a lot of times you're going to see my hands scratched up for various reasons of holding animals and whatnot. Also, I have, as I said, the reason why I'm making this is I have a Doberman puppy. Puppies love to bite, chew, and scratch, so that's my hands for you. Alright, so I've got this all turned in, And now I can just set that bowl right there, and it's perfect. That turned out really good. Now I can put his food in there, and hopefully this won't knock over. If it does knock over, I could probably stretch some no-slip material across this opposite end, and then just put something that has a little bit more weight in here, or wedge something that has a little bit more weight right in here. So there is my raised dog food bowl, and I'm not going to attach the bowl. I want to keep it to where it will come out, so that way I can take it and wash it when it needs to be washed. If I get a bigger bowl, I'll be able to see if the bigger bowl fits in there. And if I need to make this bigger, I could probably buy a second one of these, put it to where the two big ends are together, and zip tie it, and then I'd have something on the bottom, like to hold a brick or something on the bottom, and it wouldn't fall over either. And it would make it kind of a cool modern design. And if I don't like this color, I could always spray paint it. If it was a girl dog, I could totally bling it out. But he's a little boy. I'm not going to bling things out for him. But there you go. Alright guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe so you get notifications whenever I upload something new. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Bye.